आपने कभी सोचा है बेंगलोर से ही इतने बड़े बड़े और सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप क्यों बनते हैं? ऐसा क्या है बेंगलोर में जो बाकी सिटी में नहीं है? आइडिया तो हर किसी के पास, हर शहर, हर गांव में है। तो आखिर बेंगलोर में ही क्यों सबसे ज़्यादा आइडियाज़ को एग्जीक्यूट कर पाते हैं? जीरोधा, फ्लिपकार्ट और रेजर पे जैसी कंपनी एक आइडिया थे जिन्हें बेंगलोर का इकोसिस्टम मिला और आज बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर की कंपनी बने। अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं या वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हैं और आप सोच रहे हैं कि अपने आइडिया को एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करें, टीम कैसे बिल्ड करें, लाइक माइंडेड लोगों के साथ नेटवर्क कैसे बनाएं, तो ये वीडियो बिल्कुल भी स्किप मत करना, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैं प्रैक्टिकली बताऊंगा कि बेंगलोर का स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम कैसे काम करता है और आप कैसे इसका पार्ट बन सकते हैं।
तो गाइज आज मैं आया हूँ ड्रॉपर हाउस पे, और आपको पता है कि बेंगलोर में ड्रॉपर हाउस है और यहाँ पे स्टार्टअप से रिलेटेड बातें होती हैं, इवेंट्स होते हैं और हेल्प करते हैं आपको नेटवर्किंग में। तो इस इवेंट में क्या क्या होने वाला है मैं आपको बताता हूँ।
Exactly, someone was pitching, right? So let's try to do a small exercise so that it will get little easier for everyone. Now I'll just put a call, like action. You let me know if that is your purpose for the visit, so that others can get benefited, whether they have to connect with you or they have to connect with other folks as well. Cool. How many of you are college students and looking for some work? It could be internship, freelance project, or anything. Just like raise your hand. Based on what everyone said and I was listening, most of you are looking for tech or design related projects. So like these are the folks, if anyone wants to hire, these are like good folks because of like they are here on instead of celebrating weekend. So you can definitely trust their ethics of work. Perfect. And how many of you are here maybe building your own startup and looking for a tech co-founder, like particularly for tech co-founder? You are like a non-tech person and looking for a tech co-founder. Great. And how many of you are looking for a non-tech co-founder? Okay. So you guys are tech people, right? And you're looking for a non-tech founder who can take care of the maybe business side. Though matching co-founders is like a very tough job because there are like 200 things which has to match. But in case if you're looking for open to look to talk to new founders, potential co-founders, should talk to each other. Now. People who are like either founder, agency owners, or maybe working in some company but open to hire freshers or anyone in your company, mostly for tech roles. Okay. So we have enough people who are hiring for tech, we have enough people who are open to work into tech. Now people who are open to hire for any GTM non-tech related role. Okay, so we have enough people to match among each other. You guys know whom to connect with after once the networking starts. This was my objective, so that everyone should know who I have to talk. Great. Is there anything which I am missing which could be your agenda and I have missed it? Like other than networking for sure.
Any collaborators?
Yeah. So
startups.
yeah, I think one thing I missed, there are many agency owners, right? Like people who are running tech agency, design agency, or let's say finance or something, right? So anyone who is looking for new customers, most likely early stage startups, if you can like raise your hands, like looking for new customers in your for your potential consulting service or like whatever product you have. Perfect. Is there anyone who wants to, let's say, pitch their product, like who have a live website and only people who are like looking for general users? Let's say someone who said like they have a game thing, or like we can take two people who can like come on stage, show their website and like show that hey, this is our website, if you want to visit you can visit. Like only two. First come first serve. Okay, two. Please.
I've run my own branding agency in the past. This is the 3.0 version of me, relaunching in my own name. So I'm here to help people who want to scale up their business, brand it, for example, or for the fact that if anybody needs mentoring, right? So mentoring is one part of my time which I've set aside, which will help aspiring founders to figure out their path to progress. Rest is obviously the other part of it is commercial.
We are the voucher distributors pan India. So we have 400 plus brands wherein which allows cashbacks as well. So typically we've launched it on mobile view since it's laptop, so probably web view is kind of cluttered. But you can also probably look into your phones as well. Giftvouchers.subpay.com. Gift vouchers as it spells, and Subpay SABBPE.com. And like open to feedbacks, you can view the website, you can view the customer journey. Definitely you can buy as well, it's completely live. And presently we want to present it as a beta phase, and we want to improve the CX for this consumer journey as well.
देख पा रहे होंगे इस वीडियो में कि कैसे ड्रैपर हाउस हेल्प कर रहा है लोगों को एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करने में। यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट भी आए हुए हैं और वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल भी आए हुए हैं, और साथ ही साथ वो लोग भी आए हुए हैं जो अपने स्टार्टअप आइडिया पे काम कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आप नेटवर्किंग करना चाहते हैं या अपने आइडिया को पिच करना चाहते हैं लोगों के सामने, तो यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे 2 लोगों को मौका दिया गया है आज अपने स्टार्टअप आइडिया को पिच करने के लिए। कंडीशन बस ये थी कि आपके पास एक वेबसाइट होनी चाहिए, चाहे भले ही वो बीटा वर्जन में हो। तो आपने देखा वीडियो में कि 2 लोगों ने अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में यहाँ बात की और लोगों से अपना फीडबैक भी मांगा। तो अभी मैं कुछ लोगों से बात करता हूँ यहाँ पे और जानने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि उनका मोटो क्या है यहाँ पे आने का।
नीतीश हमारे साथ, तो अभी हम नीतीश से पूछते हैं। सो हाय नीतीश, कैन यू से व्हाई यू आर हियर एंड व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस इवेंट?
First main thing is that to understand what is evolving in technologies.
Okay.
So I will learn from other people and speak with other people and get to know what new things are currently evolving and what they are building.
Okay.
So based upon that I get idea on what is the current trend, and I will improve my idea to build my own website.
Okay. So
that is
are you working on any idea?
So I have an idea. I am about to start it.
Okay, you are about to start. So are you looking for any co-founder or something?
No, currently not. I'm not.
You are not looking for that. You are sufficient to do that. Yeah. So this type of event, does it help start a startup?
So I have a little experience on this, but at the starting stage, I think these kind of events really help. At the initial stage, initial 1 or 3 years, and after that we have to evolve on ourselves. Like meeting other variety of people. So in initial stage, surely I think it will help.
So in initial stage, it will be like a boost.
Sorry?
So in initial stage, it will be like a boost.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You can get lot of contacts.
Yeah.
And for startup registration process and for funding process,
Yeah.
you can get lot of contacts.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
My name is Rakesh.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm planning to start a new startup, which is really helpful for the school students
Okay.
who are using unorganized vans, like private vans. Private vans, which is not secured, which is not monitored.
Okay. Okay.
For those school vans, I'm planning to get an application with a less amount of 100 rupees per student
100 rupees. Okay.
per month, which is very affordable for the parents as well. So that's what I'm planning.
So did you launch anything like a beta version
It
something?
is under development.
Under development.
That application you can track your students on board, and once they get into a van, once they reach the location, everything can be tracked. So
Okay.
even parents can get the notification. Also, they can like update the students leave updates. If suppose tomorrow student is not
Okay.
coming to the school.
So it will be like oriented to school principals or
No,
college
no,
principals?
it is not oriented to schools. It is directly, we will be focusing on the drivers. We will
Driver.
get the driver contact details, and we will verify the driver details.
Okay.
And only through drivers will connect through parents. That's all. There won't be no school connection between us. and the
Okay. If the school timing is different or anything, how you will gonna manage that?
That is like it is a pattern of our job. It is already done.
Okay.
But right now I'm not supposed to disclose that because
Okay.
that is a,
Your
that is a
final
core-
strategy. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
That is a core strategy
Core
of
strategy.
our startup.
Okay.
So we have everything is done.
Okay.
As your doubt about the timings, that also we can handle it.
Okay. Okay. You have already planned that.
Yeah, it is planned.
Okay. That's good. All the best for your startup.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. So guys, today we came to Dropper House. So we have Apu with us, and he will tell us about what is it and why you should come here and what are the benefits you will get from here. So Apu, can you explain?
Sure. So we are here at Draper Startup House, Koramangala, Bangalore. And Draper is a den for all the founders and early stage builders. And we were here for the Ichai event today. I was moderating the event as a volunteer. Draper is basically a place where most of the events get hosted in Bangalore. And you can come to all the Ichai events and check the website ichai.ventures for all the future updates.
So if a student comes here, so what are the benefits he will get?
Many students who come, they generally get their first internship from here. Like when I was in my college, I started my startup, and majority of my first clients were people who were either living in Draper because it's a like co-living and co-working place,
Yeah.
or people who come here for events.
Okay. We heard the news, and many startup are co-founded here, and tech founders we got from here. So can you say about that?
Yeah, so because there are so many people coming in and they're just meeting, so there's a very high chance that you coincidentally or intentionally meet new people, new folks who would be like matching your vibe, and definitely you can connect with them for future. It could be as a client, it could be as a co-founder, totally depends on whom you are meeting.
So how often this type of event happen here?
It happens, I think, so each I organize once a week, but there are some or the other events happening. You can maybe check Draper's website for upcoming events or their like LinkedIn profile for all the updates.
This was Apur with us, and he told us many things about this type of event. So if you are interested, you can come to this place. It is in Koramangala. तो गाइस, कैसा लगा आपको ये व्लॉग? कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है या कोई क्वेश्चन है तो वो भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में.